Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Telegram private channel. Of course, just a legal way. So first, if you're trying to take a screenshot on your phone and it's not working, you're getting restricted. Some private channels, of course, use the Telegram screenshot protection to block just screen captures, especially for premium or sensitive content. So what you're gonna do, simply go to your PC. You can either use the web option, so you can go to web.telegram.org and just scan the QR code that will show here with your phone and to log in into your account, or just log in using your number. If you don't want that, if you have somehow the Telegram application downloaded, you can just go and open it up, and simply from here you will be able to go and take a screenshot. So go to the private channel that you want to take a screenshot of, and you can just click on the print key on your keyboard and you'll be able to take a screenshot. Or you can use the Windows Shift S and you'll be able again to take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot from or of the whole like screen, or rectangular, or freedom, or full screen, or a specific window. A lot of options that you will have. So for me, as example, I like rectangular, and let's just take a picture of this exact area. For example, I'm just going to open Paint here to show you like the picture, and here we are. We took our screenshot. So this basically will work for most channel without violating any rules. But if the content is protected and you are unsure, the safest way is always to ask the channel owner for permission, and always respects the copyright and privacy laws. So that was the legal way on how to do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.